Jenny was nervous as she walked into the office that morning. Her coworkers were setting up stations around the room to showcase their hobbies and talents for the company's first show and tell at work day. Jenny had spent weeks preparing her special chocolate chip cookie recipe to share, but still felt anxious about presenting in front of everyone. Show and Tell at Work Day was inspired by the childhood classroom tradition, aimed at helping co-workers collect over shared interests outside the job. The first official event was held in 2012 at a tech startup in San Francisco. The CEO wanted to boost employee bonding and morale, so she designated one day a year for anyone to share a special skill, collection, or passion during work hours. The event was a huge success, and the concept spread to many other countries. Show and Tell at Work Day is important for building company culture and forming deeper relationships between colleagues. When co-workers share details of their lives outside work, it helps to foster understanding and empathy. It can also spark new connections over common hobbies and interests that transcend roles or positions in the organization. Participation in events like these leads to a more engaged, collaborative workforce with lower turnover rates. When the presentations began, Jenny's anxiety faded as she saw her co-workers open up in moving and meaningful ways. Tom from accounting showed stunning photos from his recent mountain climbing trip. Jada from marketing taught a quick salsa dancing lesson. Jenny's boss even performed a magic trick and told jokes from his days attempting to become a comedian. Finally, it was Jenny's turn. She passed out samples of her chocolate chip cookies, the recipe passed down from her grandmother. Jenny's co-workers raved over the delicious treats and asked her questions about the memories associated with the recipe. She felt a surge of joy at their kind words and interest in such an important part of her family tradition. By the end of the event, Jenny had learned new things about nearly everyone in the office and felt a renewed sense of belonging. She realized that while work brought them together, events like Show and Tell at Work Day would keep them connected through the richness of life outside their jobs. She went home that evening with a smile, leftovers of her prized recipe, and a new appreciation for the wonderful people she worked with each day. January 8th is Show and Tell at Work Day. Here is our painting with all your pastels for this special day, and have a wonderful Show and Tell at Work Day. Cheers!